The Lazy Boy and the Golden Grain. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, surrounded by an active green fields, there lived a boy named Kiko. While his family worked hard from dawn to dusk, planting and harvesting rice, Kiko preferred to nap under the big shade of the big mango tree near their hut. "Kiko, come, help us plant the seedlings," his father would call. But Kiko would stretch lazily and said, "It's too hot. I'll do it later." "Kiko, the birds are eating the grains. Shoo them away," his mother would shout. But Kiko would wave his hand dismissively. "The birds have some. We have so much rice." One evening, Kiko's grandfather, Lolo Ponso, called him over and said, "Kiko, let me tell you a story." Kiko loved his grandfather's story, so he eagerly sat beside him. Lolo Ponso began. "Long ago in a farm just like ours, there was a magical grain of rice called the golden grain. This grain could grow an endless harvest, but it could only be found by someone who truly understood the value of hard work." Kiko's eyes sparked. "Endless rice? That's amazing, Lolo. How do I find it?" His grandfather smiled mysteriously. "It's hidden in the fields, waiting for someone worthy to discover it." The next morning, Kiko jumped out of the bed earlier than usual. He rushed to the fields and started searching for the golden grain. But the fields were so vast and the grain was nowhere to be found. "Maybe if I help plant these seedlings, the grain will reveal itself," Kiko thought. So, for the first time, he joined his father in planting. His hands grew muddy and his back ached, but he felt proud when rows of seedlings stood tall and neat. The next day, Kiko decided to guard the fields from the birds, thinking the golden grain might appear as a reward. He clapped his hands, "Shoo, shoo!" and the birds would fly away. Days turned into weeks. Kiko worked hard alongside his family every day. The once lazy boy was now the first to wake up and the last to leave the fields. One evening, as the family sat down to eat freshly cooked rice, his mother said, "You've worked so hard, Kiko. The harvest this year is bigger than ever, and it's all thanks to you." Kiko looked at the mountain of the rice in their nipa hut and realized something. He hadn't found the golden grain, but their hard work had given them more than rice to last a year. Lolo Pilo chuckled. "Well, Kiko, do you know what the golden grain is now?" Kiko smiled. It's not a magical grain, is it, Lolo? It's the hard work we put into the fields every day." "Exactly," Lolo Pilo said. "Hard work is the true magic, my boy." From that day on, Kiko was no longer the lazy boy. He became the pride of the family and the village, a shining example of how effort brings abundance. And so, the rice fields swayed with golden grains, not from magic, but from Kiko's newfound dedication. This is Maria Mayordo from BTL Aid 1A. Thank you.